video, we will learn how to clean the reusable Fraxel tip after it's been in contact with the patient.
Perfect. So it is important that you don't get this area wet, otherwise the Fraxel tip will not work. What you want to do is remove the rollers. Be careful not to drop them because they can go down the drain. You're going to place them into a tray with some water. You're going to go ahead and get some of the purple soap. Let me get some from the restroom.
Or we can use antibacterial soap.
That one, right? You can use some soaps.
Basically, we're soaking it.
And we're going to go ahead and throw in some herbicide as well. We'll let these soak for about 20 minutes. Just leave them there. And now I'm going to grab 2 Q-tips. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. And I'm going to use this to clean the inside of the Fraxel tip. Again, you don't want to get this part wet, so you cannot run this under the water. So I'm going to gently go in. Sometimes the mean cream will get stuck in here. So I like to use 2 Q-tips to clean everything. And you can see that there's some numbing cream in there. I'm just going to clean all around the sides. And if you have some leftover gauze from the tray that is clean, you can use that, or you can use a paper towel. I'm just going to start wiping everything from the outside. I'm not touching the inside. I want to make sure that the little teeth areas are clean, so I can go ahead and, if I see anything, so I can see that there's still some numbing cream there. Put the gauze in there. And you want to make sure you have enough grip of the Fraxel tip, but don't squeeze it too much because you don't want to break it. Once that has all been clean, you're just going to go ahead and let it air dry. Once it's dry, we can go ahead and put it away.